Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the fundamentals. Check your computer's date, time, and time zone because TLS relies on correct timestamps. Next, open Edge and click the lock icon to view the certificate to see issuer and expiration. This explains most errors. Once done, disable any proxy or VPN briefly because they can inject certificates or block validation. Make sure to try the page again after each change so you know which step resolved the issue. Once the basics are set, clear browsing data and the SSL state to remove stale certs or cached errors. Go to Settings Privacy Clear Browsing Data, then press F5. Make sure Edge and Windows are updated because older TLS versions or bugs cause failures. If you run antivirus with HTTPS scanning or a corporate firewall, temporarily disable that feature to test if it's intercepting certificates. These steps remove common software causes and make certificate validation succeed again. For final fixes, if the certificate is valid but untrusted, manually install the intermediate or root certificate into trusted root certification authorities. Only do this for known legitimate sites. If problems persist, reset Edge or create a new profile to eliminate corrupted settings and extensions. Finally, try the site in another browser to confirm whether Edge is the culprit. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip: test without extensions and with antivirus HTTPS scanning disabled to isolate interception issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.